It's so common for people to purchase temporary life insurance and never go back to actually compare their rates. In this video, I'm going to show you a free website that lets you compare your current premium with rates from multiple insurance companies in just a few minutes. Let's see if you're paying more than you need to. The website is Shop Your Term. I'll leave a link for you in the description of this video. Type in the exact amount that you're paying every single month for your temporary life insurance. So for this example, I'm just going to put $60. And let's say the death benefit is $100,000. Click on Shop It. Now we need a little bit more information. So we're going to say that it's a 15-year term, that the health status, let's select that to be standard. And then for our age, we're going to select the month of May and that we were born in 1980. All right, so now we're going to click our state. We're going to select Delaware. And then we're going to select female and let's choose non-tobacco. So after we do that, we're going to click on Shop It one more time. So congratulations, you just shopped your term. So it's explaining that you actually could be paying $18 a month instead of $60, or you can get a death benefit of $300,000 if you still want to pay the $60 a month. Very cool. Then what you're going to do is scroll on down to the bottom, because now we're going to see some information about how you can actually get this coverage, of course, by working with me directly. Okay. So we're going to scroll on down, and we're going to see a bunch of providers. So we have Pacific Life Insurance Company, Transamerica. We have Legal and General Life Insurance, Symetra. You guys get the idea. You can see the different companies that are available that are allowing you to be able to get access to this amazing coverage. So now let's just say you want to actually get a report so that you can keep this information so that when you reach out to me, I'll know what it is that you actually shared. So if you click on that, where you want to get the PDF, you're going to put in your information. I'll just put in my email address because that is where you guys can contact me if you have any questions. And I'm going to put a random phone number in, and then we're going to click on Get Your Results. So I want to show you what's going to happen that after that. As soon as you put in that information, then you're going to get an email and I'm going to get an email as well. Okay. So the email that you get when you click on it, it is going to show you exactly the same thing you saw on the computer, but it's a document that you can actually keep for your records. Here's an example of what the PDF will look like when you go to your email and download the document. Again, it pretty much shares the same information that we saw from the website, but it's a version that you can have. Now I want to go back to the website because I want to show you the other information you can get. So when you click on Learn, you can find out like how much life insurance you really need. There's some videos, some text there that you can read. We're going to go back up to the top and we're going to click on living benefits. A lot of people don't know, but you can actually get living benefits with your life insurance, with your temporary life insurance and your permanent life insurance. So here's a cool video. I encourage you to go to my website, check it out so that you can learn more about how you and your family can be protected. This is just one of the ways that you can gain access to an amazing product, an amazing opportunity. You know, temporary life insurance, it serves a great purpose. When I purchased my home in 2010, I couldn't afford permanent life insurance back then. So I got temporary life insurance. And I'm so grateful I did because I knew that my family member who was living with me, if something happened to me, they were not able to afford the mortgage. So I was able to purchase something that will give me a peace of mind knowing that they would be okay. So I'm going to pause here. You guys know how to reach out to me. Go down to the description of this video. You can click the link that you see there and schedule a complimentary session. I would love to connect with you, and I'll see you next time. Later.